Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pretty. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to live stream video on BIGO Live. So if you want to know how to live stream video on BIGO Live, sit tight and watch this video to the end. All you need to do now is to log in your BIGO Live account. On your BIGO Live, just like this, you click on the live video icon on the bottom of your screen, the center video. Click on it. When you're live, just like this, make sure you select the video on video. On the bottom of your screen, you can see game live, audio live. Make sure you select game live. Once you select game live, then you can now click on the go live icon. Then you click on start now. So once you have started your video live, all you need to do now is to go to your YouTube or TikTok, anywhere, and go to any play and start watching video. So any video you watch any video playing on your screen now will be live streaming on your BIGO Live. Any video you play now will be live streaming on your BIGO Live. So guys, if you find this video useful, please do well to click the notification bell, give this video a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.